Hello people, how are you? Welcome to tutorial computer lessons of Tural Khan. Today I'm going to show you how to record the desktop to the video. For this we use the Cam Studio program, and for downloading this program there are some sites, websites, some web pages, and some links, and for using this we use some Opera browser. I'll use the Opera. Um, you can use the other browsers too, for example Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox or Google Chrome. I open the Opera program. After opening this program I enter this website camstudio.org. I enter this website and there are some links for downloading this program. For example, the latest version. I prefer this latest version, and you can download this from SourceForge. You see, and after downloading this program, you will see some exe file. You see here on the desktop, Cam Studio Setup exe, and then its installing is very simple. Everyone can use this. After clicking next, you will install your program. You see, I have already this program. This program already exists, and I will not install this program. You can install this by clicking next, and after clicking next, you will finish the installing, and um, you go to start all programs and Cam Studio. You see, and open this program. After opening this program, there can be some problems. The window cannot be sometimes can is not opened. For opening this, we use the control panel. Okay. After opening, you will see some options here. For example, file menu. In this file menu, you see some record option. By clicking record, you will record your um, voice or your video, and for pausing, pause. For stopping, stop key. In this region you will take the full screen of or fixed region. This region menu is made for choosing the part of desktop for recording. For example, some people use full screen of desktop. They want to record all the parts of desktop to the video, but some people don't want use the full screen. They only want some part for recording of desktop, and they use fixed region. After using fixed region, some options appear here. You see the width and height. You choose the width and height. You see, and then record your video. But I prefer the full screen. Then the third menu is options. After opening this menu, you see some options. For example, video options. You open this. Here in this compressor, I use the Microsoft Video 1 because its quality is very high, and you choose the quality 100 and then configure to 1. You see, to 1, then OK, and you must see that the auto adjust is clicked on because it's very important for audio voice, and its quality will be very high, and the level you see time lapse, it must be the lowest, and the then we click on OK. Then to options, cursor options. The second options are cursor options. Here we can use some cursor options. You can hide cursor when you record the desktop to video, and you see the cursor is hide it, and then the second is showing cursor. I prefer showing cursor, and here there are some parts. For example, the first is use actual cursor. You see here The second, use custom cursor. Here there will be some custom images and background of the cursor. You see context help, clip, or card file, and so on. But I use the actual cursor. But by clicking the use cursor from file, you can choose the background image from your file, you see. But I prefer use actual cursor. The second part is highlight cursor. You can choose or not choose. It's your own opinion. But I think that highlight cursor is very important because it makes the cursor look very beautiful. For example, by clicking highlight cursor, here will be appeared some things. For example, size. It's the size of the shape of the background image. We take the background image circle or ellipse or square or rectangle, but I prefer circle because it's very beautiful for cursor. Then the color, for example, to yellow, you see, and then the circle and minimize the size because it's very important for cursor for looking very beautiful. Then we click OK. Then options, audio options. If you record your audio voice, then you must do these audio options, but they are made. And then if you want to record your audio from microphone, you choose this part, record audio from microphone, you see. But if you want to record audio from speakers, you can choose it too. But I don't have some speakers, that's why I cannot choose this part. And record audio from microphone. Then there are some paths here too, but they are not important. You can change the language to German or to English, and record to flash options, for example, SWF file or AVI file. Um, the main part is program options, you see. After opening this program options, you will see some page here, and here there are some options. For example, minimize program on start recording. It's very important because if you start the recording, the window will be still on the desktop, and it is very bad for recording. And if you click on minimize program on start recording, when you start recording, the program will be minimized, and it's very useful. Then hide flashing rectangle during recording, it must be clicked on. Then save settings on exit is very important. Must be clicked on, and capture translucent layered windows, and it must be clicked on, of course. Then tools, they are not important for us. Effects, they are not important, and view, it must be normal view. And that's all. If you want to record the video, you can choose this record icon, record option, or you can choose only hotkey 2, and you can change the format to, for example, record to not AVI but record to SWF by clicking this icon, you see. And after stopping recording, if you stop the record, you will see some page there, some window where you can save or rename your AVI file or SWF file, and you can save the file in desktop or in my computer icon, or so on and so on. Thanks for watching. I think that this video was very useful for you, and good luck. Thanks.